Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, how it's finished, guys, it's showing to us the market is going to reverse down, guys. That candle here, that's what it's showing to us. But look here at the volume, guys. The volume is very dry. There is no big volume happening here, and I got for you today some major news. So for people, we need to wait in that inside bar here, that one, to be broken. That's what me have been telling you all the whole week. We been here inside that inside bar, but today we got very major news, and that way me I think we are going to break lower, guys, because that major news nobody make a close eye at it and see it, but also we spot it today. So let's go into see the news, guys. What is it? For the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, Yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when you put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the news, guys. That the news, guys, as you see it here. Binance see a record of 138k Bitcoin inflow. What that meant to you? What that it telling you? There is 138k Bitcoin enter to Binance. That's a big whale enter that much of money. Big whales, they using the system I told you before. They using the exchange just to buy and to sell. Yes or no? When they buy in, you're going to see a outflow. That means the Bitcoin it go out from the exchange. When you see the inflow, that means you're going to see a sudden of guys going to come, or a big dump is going to come to the Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. Let me explain it to you and show you everything here as you see it here. Look at it. As you see, guys, look here. You see that inflow, how big it is compared to the previous ones. And that one, it happened all in 2018, guys. That entered like that. When we see the Bitcoin, it fall down to 3k. The same thing now, it's happening. A big whale enter that much of Bitcoin to the exchange. More, let's show it to you as you see it. Is here in November, in 30th of November 2018, Bitcoin, it was the bottom at 3,000. Falling 40%. Same thing now happening, guys. That's what me I told you. That thing's happening. Plus, look here. That here, if you see it, that the transaction will happening, guys. As you see it. Everything is too clear, guys. So be prepared to buy from the bottom, guys. Be prepared to buy from the bottom. That's what me I've been telling you all the whole week. Let's go back now to the chart. I've been telling you all that. What me I've been telling you all the whole week. What me I've been saying. I said every week or every month started buying down. And me, I'm still believing. The end of December, you're going to see a big going up. Remember that. Started buying slowly by slowly. If it came and break in here, that level here, and go down to 12k or 10k or whatever, at 10k there is a lot of capital is waiting there. You started buying. We don't know if it's going to be the bottom here at 15k or at 10k. We don't care. The most important is we need to find our place. Now let me give you a small example. We got a plane. Before the plane is moving, what you do? You enter, you catch your place, you sit down, you put your belt, and you waiting the plane to take off. That's what us we doing, guys. We put in ourselves inside the plane. We don't know the time when it's going to move, and no one know it. That's what me I've been telling you, guys. So put yourself inside the plane. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, guys. What me I told you here. I told you going to give us 3 up and 2 down. It give us 2 down. Not yet. Because we still only in 2 up. As you see them 1, here 2, down 1. So now either to come down here like that, then after that we'll do like that, then after that you're going to see it down like how it happened here in that zone. Or another scenario, you're going to fall down here to give us 2 here, then after that it's going to go up. The scenario which is too close, me I saw it, is going to fall down to the over oversold area. We need to give us here a big divergence here. Then after that, we're going to see the Bitcoin is going higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our friends, we don't got any news for tomorrow. The only thing we got here is our friend. The table, as we see it every day. What it's telling us, as you see it here, the week, how it finished here for US stocks. US stocks, all the week today, it's finished green. So the week it finished green, guys, as you see it. Our friend, that one, as we see it every day, is that one, guys, the VIX. What it's showing us, it's falling down. As we used to be 24. Now us we are very close to 22. Should we start buying? A little bit. Started buying, but not all your capital. Leave backup. Leave backup. That's what me are telling you. It's need that one to fall down below 20, guys. No matter how long as we still above 20, it's still a little bit of scarcity in the market. Remember that. No matter how long we stay above 20, it's still a little bit of scarcity in the market. Everything is too clear. Plus here, look at it. The dollar here, what it's showing us? 106, guys. It's still in that 106. We've been here all the week like that. Same thing now. Nothing was changed here. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying, for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what I told you before about that one. I told you, I saw some people that told you here a wage. That candle here, it's breaking the wage. Hold up here, you are in. It's not yet. That's what me have been telling you. Now it gives you another wage. Look at it. You can even make it like that. Another wage. Should you enter long? No, my friend, not yet. I told you the market it needs to come and to break here. If it doesn't break that level here, there is no entry. Or another scenario, you to enter from here to here. Not another scenario. But to enter for long, no, my friend. It's need a little bit. And for us to enter short, it's need the market to come to break that level here. If it doesn't break it here, a candle to come and to close like that. The open of it need to be here. The close of it need to be here. Yes or no? That's what us we been saying, guys. And we told you all that week we were going to be sideways. And that's what's happening. We tell it to you in Saturday, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators with the same for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, as you see it touch here. Now here it's showing us it's breaking down. Not a clear breakout to down, but there is a breakout, guys, here happening. Now should you enter short? Not yet, my friend. It's need another 4 hours to come with big volume, because till now there is no big volume. The volume is very, very, very dry, guys. Everything is too clear. You get what I'm saying or no? And you got here a small divergence here. From that one to that one, you got a divergence. Because in the chart, it do it like that. So you got there a divergence, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. You know that channel without you is can growing up. So please support us. Support us. Yes, you, my friend, support us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, it's not something hard. It will not take you that much. It's just a few seconds. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, as you see it, we used to be here at the oversold area, and we're still at the oversold area here. There is anything here indicating the market is going to reverse? No, my friend, it's still early. Yes, there is over here that price action, but also we don't need to base our trading about that. I told you it needs to come and to break for us that level here. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Remember that. Remember that one very, 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 very well. It's need the market to come back inside here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Because it might just to come here, then after that you're going to see it dropping down, guys. So don't be trapped by other people. They never ever trade. Okay? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what I told you in the last video. I told you we got here a head and shoulder. Yes or no, like that. And I told you the wind that candle here breaking inter short. Tell where? Tell here. Why here? Because our indicator is being here at the oversold area at that level here exactly. Now what the Bitcoin showing you here? Look with me here. That the first shoulder, that the head, and over here another shoulder. How are you going to see it very clear? You change it from candles to lines like that. You see it now or not? Look at it. That the shoulder, that the head, another shoulder is here. Where is the neckline? Is the 200 moving average here. If a candle came and close above the 200 moving average, you enter long. Take profit where it need to be. Here at the top here. Exactly here, guys. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders, not for long-term investment or swing traders. Everything is too clear? So now what should we do here at that level? If a candle came and close above the 200 moving average like that, man, it's going to open down and to close above, you need to enter long. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, the last video used to be here at the overbought area. It came down till the oversold area. At that level here, we take the profit. Now it's showing us here a head and shoulder as you see it. Now if it came and breaking up, you need to enter long. Take profit as I told you. It needs to be here at that peak here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close or the time of European market close. Bye for now, guys.